Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today we have a new product to review on my desk. It's a Wi-Fi router, but it's not an ordinary one. This is Linksys Maxstream AC 1900 Gigabit Wi-Fi router. It's a powerful and smart Wi-Fi router that offers some great features which I'll be showing you in this video. It's an AC 1900 plus multi-user MIMO Gigabit router. It's made by Linksys and the model is EA7500. It says this is ideal for 4K or HD TVs and comes with 3 years of warranty. You've got a picture of the router here. It's got 3 antennas as you can see in the picture and delivers up to 2 times the speed of non-MIMO routers. So that's it, there's nothing much written on the front. Let's check out the backside. The EA7500 is a dual band Wi-Fi router, has both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band. The 2.4 GHz band offers a max speed of up to 800 Mbps and the 5 GHz one offers up to 1733 Mbps. That is totally awesome, and also you can completely monitor and control your network through the smartphone app. So as I've told you, you've got some info written here regarding those dual bands. A normal router that you get around 1000 to 2000 rupees can offer a max speed of only up to 300 to 500 Mbps, but this one here offers a combined speed of more than 2000 Mbps. This is like the next level stuff guys, and the setup process is also very easy. Let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank Linksys for sending me this product for review purpose. Let me cut this outer packing with my knife. Alright, let's unbox it and check it out. On opening the box, we've got some paperwork at the top. It's an installation guide and a user manual. They can be very helpful, so don't forget to read them. Here is our router. Comes very nicely packed. Let me take it out of this cover. So this is our Linksys EA7500 router. Wow, this thing is huge. It's almost double the size of a normal router. The build quality looks good. It's completely made of plastic and has lots of vents on it. We'll check out the router in a moment. First, let's see what else do we get in the box. You've got a lot of documentation along with a CD. Here are its antennas. You've got 3 of them and the build quality looks very nice. You also have 4 types of plug converters, a power adapter for the router, and an Ethernet cable. So these were all the items you got in the box. Now let me show you the router. Let me peel the sticker on the top. It's completely made of plastic, has a matte and gloss finish on it. Now this glossy part is not just the design. I believe there's a small display or a Linksys logo above the model number that glows whenever you power it on. The build quality is also nice. The plastic feels strong and durable. There is nothing on the front. Let me show you the back side. You've got 3 antenna connectors here, a USB 3.0 port and a USB 2.0 port, a WPS button, a reset button, 1 gigabit WAN port and 4 gigabit Ethernet ports, a 12V DC port for the power adapter, and a power on rocker switch. So these were all of its ports and buttons. Now let me show you the bottom part. You've got 4 rubber foot pads on all the corners and also has 2 mounting holes so you can even hang it onto a wall. At the center you've got some info regarding the router. So that was our overview on the router. Now let's power it on, connect it to my PC and check out the interface. Alright guys, I've powered it on and also finished setting it up. The setup process took not more than 5 minutes. Right now we are in the Linksys Smart Wi-Fi setup page. You can easily access this page by typing 192.168.11 in any browser. And this is how the interface on the homepage looks like. You've got a lot of quick access widgets here. The first one shows the network status, whether the router is connected to the internet or not. Below that, you've got your Wi-Fi settings where you can manage your networks, both 2.4 and 5 GHz ones. Now at a time, this router can establish 4 networks. 2 of them are the regular 2.4 and 5 GHz ones, while the remaining 2 are guest networks, which are currently turned off. Over here, you've got the network map, which shows you how many devices are connected to the network, and by clicking on it, you can access the full info like what device is connected to which network. It gives you a full analysis on that. You've also got parental control features, which when turned on, monitors and controls the content that's being viewed on a particular device. You can also configure external storage, and there's also a media prioritization feature. So these are all the different features. Now let me show them to you in detail. This is the network map, which shows you how many devices are connected to the router and also tells you what kind of device that is. As you can see right now, we've got a total of 5 devices connected to it. One great thing about this router compared to the other ones is, no matter how many devices are connected to it, all of them can parallelly stream or download content without any slowdowns. Generally, in the case of cheaper routers, if one device is downloading something, then the speed of the second device gets drastically affected. That won't happen on this one. You can also add or terminate any device from this map. You've got all the guest network settings here. Guest networks are very useful, especially for offices or in companies. These are the parental control settings. Here you can enable restrictions on a particular device from the list. You can block the internet, block some particular sites, or even maintain timings. Like if you don't want your kids to access the internet after 10 o'clock in the night, you can do that from here. Now coming to media prioritization, this is a great feature guys. This feature helps you give more priority to the devices that you want to get the best performance. For example, if you're streaming a movie on your TV while multiple devices are connected, then simply turn on this feature and give priority to your TV, and the router will give max priority to your TV and take care that there are no hiccups while streaming. Very useful, right? Not only devices, you can give priorities to even apps and games. Now coming to the external storage, this is another great feature. You remember those USB ports at the back of the router? You can connect any storage device like a pen drive or a hard disk and share the content on that drive across your network. You can upload, download any file to or from that online drive. And you can also use it as an FTP server. Using FTP, you can access the contents on that drive from anywhere in the world. So these were all of its smart features. Below that you've got general settings where you can change the network names, passwords, firmware update, and also reset the router. So that was about the Linksys Smart Wi-Fi setup page. Now this could be accessed through the browser. The same features can also be accessed through your smartphone. For that you need to install this app called Linksys. It's available on both Play Store and App Store. Let me open it and show you. So this is how the app interface looks like. It's very clean and easy to understand. The dashboard shows you the number of devices connected, list of active networks, and access to all the smart Wi-Fi tools like parental controls and device prioritization, which I mentioned previously. It's a good app and I had no issues so far. Now let's talk about the range and the Wi-Fi speeds on both the bands. First let's talk about the 5 GHz band. The 5 GHz band offers super fast speeds of up to 1300 Mbps. I'm right now using Act Fibernet's 80 Mbps plan with this router. Let's do a quick speed test and see the results. So as you can see, I'm getting quite good speeds on this band. The thing with this band is, it offers excellent speeds, but as we know, the 5 GHz range is limited. It cannot easily penetrate through the walls. I've placed the router in the first floor at my home. The signal strength was good throughout the same floor, but it couldn't reach the ground floor or the terrace. And coming to the 2.4 GHz band, this band can offer speeds of up to 600 Mbps. The speed is a bit low, but the range on this band is really high compared to 5 GHz. Let's do a quick speed test and see the results. As you can see, the speeds were a bit slow, but I was getting the Wi-Fi signal throughout my building and also 30 to 35 meters away from my home. On the overall, I was quite impressed by this router in terms of both connectivity and features. So that was my video on the Linksys EA7500 Maxstream Gigabit router. It's an amazing Wi-Fi router, has some great features and smart Wi-Fi tools that are super useful. The setup process was very easy and the stability was also good. But what I felt was this router is quite expensive. It costs about 9,000 rupees. Also for that price, I don't think it's open source, so you're stuck with whatever the company provides. Also this router has no status indicators on the front. If only they could reduce the price a bit, it would be awesome. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below, you can get it from there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.